Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Intex 26ft by 52-inch Ultra Frame Pool Set and Pool Chemical Maintenance Kit. This pool comes complete with a Krystal Clear 110 to 120V, 2,100 gallon per hour sand filter pump, pool ladder, ground cloth, and pool cover. The package includes the Qualco Pool Start-Up Kit, so you can get to cooling off quickly. This handy kit is ideal for 10,000 to 15,000 gallon large-sized pools. The kit includes 1.5 pounds of 1-inch chlorinating tablets, 2 1-pound shock extra chemicals, 1 pound of AlkaPlus pH plus powder, and 10 chlorine test strips. Product benefits: durable powder-coated steel frame, laminated PVC siding with 3 separate material layers for strength and durability. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.